Today's question is, what app should I use to manage my team? And I will tell you that there are so many productivity apps on the internet, but the most important app you can have is the app you actually use. So in this video, I am going to show you my go-to web application for team management that I actually use in my business, Asana. Asana is a fantastic tool to help you to keep your team organized, and in this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you how to set up your Asana and how to get the most out of this application. From the small stuff to the big picture, Asana organizes work so teams are clear what to do, why it matters, and how to get it done. Again, Asana is for team management, but your team does not have to be full-time staff. Your team could be your virtual assistant, a graphic designer that you subcontract work to, or your family members that are helping you on the side. The best way to describe a team management tool is it's a way to prevent yourself from having to use email as a way to keep track of your to-do list. Too many people track their progress on their projects by their inbox, and that's not the way to do it. You want to be able to assign tasks, give task deadlines, provide feedback without having to use email to do it. And so that is why I recommend using a tool like Asana. So let's take a look at some of the features. Asana is the easiest way to manage team projects and tasks. It gives you everything you need to stay in sync, hit deadlines, and reach your goals. So here is just a little graphic that they've created to kind of show you how Asana is set up. So you can keep track of all of the things that are necessary to complete a project in your business. Then you can assign the tasks to members of your team, give it a due date, and then track the status of that project. One of my favorite parts of Asana is there actually is a mobile application for Asana as well. So you're able to hop into the app on your phone and view the progress on your projects without having to worry about accessing your computer at all. You can hit your goals without the scramble, make every project a success, map out each step, and organize all the details of your work in one place. And this even goes down to uploading logos, uploading copy, and different things like that. You can add files to Asana that would eliminate the need for constantly sharing Dropbox folders and Google Drive folders and having everything in so many different places. So that's another use of a project management tool like Asana. Now you can also create rules in Asana, and this is next level when it comes to automation. So if you want to take it to the next level, you can actually use Asana to automate tasks in your business. And remember, I'm a huge proponent of automation because it helps you to reduce stress and reclaim your time. So that's another feature within this application. I think it's important when you're managing your team to also give your tasks a priority. Everything is not the most important thing. So if you select your priority within Asana, it helps your team to understand what is the most important thing for them to focus on at any given time. So that's another fun way for you to kind of manage your team without having to send guilt trips in their inbox. This tool is a fantastic way to enhance communication among your team members so that you can achieve more in your business. Now, a lot of people believe that these types of systems are reserved for corporations and they're too small to implement them. But the pricing structure of websites like Asana allow you to have the systems of a corporation, but the personality of a small business. You can take the time to add profile pictures and to really form this with your own words and your own structure so that it fits your personality. You don't have to feel like Asana is forcing itself on you. You don't have to use every single feature. To be honest with you, rarely have I used all of Asana's features at one time, but it's a fantastic way for you to see what it takes to do what you do. And this also goes back to your pricing. when you are forced to really list out all the tasks it takes to create someone's logo, to build someone's website, to provide them with a marketing strategy in their business, and you can see everything that goes into what you do, it's easier for you to raise your rates or even just attach rates to what you do because everything is laid out. So if you keep your systems and your processes in your head, if you're ever out of town or you're ever sick and you can't be in front of your inbox constantly telling people what to do next, you can set your business behind. So I believe every entrepreneur, if they outsource or have team members, they have got to try to take their processes out of their head and put it into some type of system. So the pricing structure of Asana is very transparent. You can just click on pricing and it will show you how it's set up. All of these you can try for free, but you can save money if they are billed annually. Now, here's something that has changed. If you've heard about Asana in the past, it was kind of like a flat rate, and now it is per user. So make sure that you look at the pricing based on that in your business and not based on just having one account. So per user, it's going to cost you $10.99 if you do the premium, then $24.99 if you do the business. You're not going to have to worry about enterprise, so don't worry about contacting sales. Now, here's the thing, guys. Look under the free forever plan. Unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, unlimited activity log, unlimited file storage. All of this stuff is included. Now, what is not included with a free account are these areas here: adding forms, milestones, private teams and projects, dashboards, timelines. So what I would suggest is go ahead and get yourself a basic account. Start with Asana. Get yourself in the mindset of taking your processes and putting them down on paper. For me, I would use this all the time with outlining what was required to build a website, because the more I could see what was coming next, the more I could work ahead and finish my sites quicker, opening up more room in my schedule to help more people. So you could be limiting your business income by taking up too much of your valuable time doing administrative tasks. So as you get those tasks off your plate, you have more time for profit-producing activities, whether that is attending a networking event, being on a podcast, creating content for social media. Those are the types of things that are going to lead to sales. You sending emails, you checking in on the people that you've paid to help you is not producing profit for your business. And so that is our focus. What can I take in my business and automate it, or use an application to help me get it off my plate so I can load my plate up more with things that help my bottom line? So go ahead into Asana, create your free account, and then you can invite other people to join your Asana team so that they can see what you're creating in your Asana account. So I use this when I do contract work for people and I do special projects. You can use Asana for a time and then just walk away from it. You know, if it's a short-term contract, 3 months, 6 months, a year, you can use Asana for hosting an event. You can use Asana for hosting a fundraiser. If you're trying to manage volunteers, this could be a great way for you to coordinate volunteers in a nonprofit organization so that everyone knows what goes into providing the services that you provide. So again, this is technically geared for business, but it is a tool that allows you to be better at communicating with your team. So if you find yourself sending email after email over and over and over again, perhaps it's time for you to leverage technology to help you reduce some stress and reclaim your time. So if you want to give Asana a try, just go to asana.com or click on the link in my description. And I encourage you in 2021 to give this a try. Add some more time to your schedule so that you can do more of what you want to do. thanks so much for stopping by 30 Days of Apps. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you know when I've uploaded the next video in this series. My name is LaShonda, and this is Bootstrap Biz Advice, where I teach you how to grow your biz without breaking the bank. If you need help with your website, click on the link in my description to check out my Squarespace Expert Designer profile. You can also gain access to my resource library for free by clicking on the link in my description. Until next time, ta-ta for now.